Garfield Gordon and Gizelle James emerged the respective male and female champions of the first leg of the Guardian Group Shine 5K night run held in Kingston on Saturday. Gordon of UCT Steppas clocked 16 minutes and 15 seconds to win the men's event ahead of Kemar of Rainforest Caribbean 16 minutes and 27 seconds and Royale Gordon of UCT Steppas 16 minutes 34 seconds.
But it's more harder to run in the night because it's more hotter than in the morning. So it's a bit harder.
James of Papinhai crossed the line first in the women's section in 21 minutes and 25 seconds. She finished ahead of Dandy Williams of Pacers Running Club 21 minutes and 41 seconds, with Monique Campbell of Bustamante Hospital finishing third in 24 minutes and 25 seconds.
Difficult, but my foot was locking up. But I stayed behind the girl that came second. I was staying behind her and just keeping my composure.
In the 5K walk, Jason Flynn won the men's race in 31 minutes and 4 seconds, while Carleen Wallace took the women's race in 34 minutes and 34 seconds. President of Guardian Life Limited, Megan Miller-Brown, expressed satisfaction with the turnout for the event.
I think tonight we had over 4,900 participants, which is a 20% increase over last year. So we are elated, we are happy. I mean, we wished it was 5,000, but we'll take the 4,900 plus.
The event concludes with the second leg in Montego Bay next week.
So next week at Harmony Park in Montego Bay is part 2 of our Shine 5K night run, and we want to see you there on May 30th. And please, Montego Bay is known for its vibes, for the fun, for all of the togetherness, and we are expecting more than 5,000 to be down there, so see you there.
Proceeds from this year's Guardian Group Shine 5K night run will go towards the Kingston Public Hospital, the Falmouth Hospital and Community Development Group Project STAR.